Welcome back. Now, Microsoft does have AI tools available inside of Microsoft Designer. And if you go inside of Microsoft Designer within Microsoft 365, the platform is not necessarily powered with Microsoft Copilot. However, it does have AI tools within it. What you can do is you can use prompts in order to create within Microsoft Designer. And basically what you're doing is you're creating promotional materials with Microsoft Designer. Now, if you have projects available, you can click inside of My Projects. If you don't, you should see a button here that says New Project. You're going to click that button. That's going to give you the Microsoft Designer interface. And basically, what you're going to do here is you're going to write in a prompt in order to create the promotional materials that you want to create. And you can add in media to the prompt. And we're going to add this media from our device, although we can add the media from our mobile device. And now that we have all of our content, we can then click Generate. And what Microsoft Designer will then do is it will seek to generate designs based on what we have given it in order to assist us. And then you'll see what Microsoft Designer came up with here in this area. We can create the size, and you can scroll down to see more iterations. The Microsoft Designer will then suggest a prompt to us. So we're going to go ahead and use the prompt that it suggests to us, and we're going to click Generate. We can then determine the size that we want, and then Microsoft Designer will readjust in order to give us the size that we want. So you can use Microsoft Designer with a prompt in order to create the element that you want for your promotional content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.